Stainless steel grocery bag organizer. Are you tired of grocery bags piling up under your sink or in a random drawer? This stainless steel grocery bag dispenser is the perfect solution. For just $21, this sleek, wall-mounted gadget keeps your bags organized and easy to access. The dispenser is designed with a beautiful anti-fingerprint finish, ensuring it always looks clean and polished. Installation is a breeze. Just use the included adhesive strips, and you can mount it on your pantry wall, cabinet, or even in a mudroom. Smart Slicer. If you've ever struggled to slice tomatoes, lemons, or other round fruits evenly, this gadget is here to change the game. At first glance, it might look like it slices the fruit for you, but that's not the case. Instead, it acts as a secure holder, keeping your fruits or vegetables in place while you slice them perfectly. This Smart Slicer is especially handy for people who love adding sliced fruits to their salads, cocktails, or desserts. You can also use it for slicing limes, kiwis, or even small onions. The holder's clever design keeps your fingers far from the knife, reducing the risk of accidental cuts. It's a great way to achieve those thin, even slices that you usually only see at restaurants. Not only does it make slicing easier, but it also ensures your cuts look professional. Manual food chopper. Chopping onions, garlic, or almonds can be a hassle, but this manual food chopper makes it quick, easy, and mess-free. For under $20, this gadget eliminates the need for power or batteries. You simply place your ingredient in the base, press down on the top, and let the sharp blades do the work. The chopper is perfect for tasks like mincing garlic, chopping onions without tears, or even breaking down harder items like almonds. Its rotating blades cut everything evenly, and the process takes just a few seconds. This tool is especially useful for anyone who doesn't feel confident with a knife or doesn't want to spend extra time on prep work. Cleaning is also a breeze. Just rinse it or pop the parts into the dishwasher. It even comes with a small brush to help clean the blades. Whether you're cooking for a family or just making a quick meal for yourself, this chopper is a game changer. Pot lid holders. Organizing your pots and pans can be a real challenge, especially when it comes to finding the right lid. These wall-mounted pot lid holders are a simple and effective solution for keeping your kitchen neat and functional. The set includes 6 holders that can be attached to cabinet doors or walls, making them perfect for small or cluttered kitchens. With these holders, I managed to hang 4 lids on each side of the cabinet door. These holders are versatile enough to fit lids of different sizes and shapes, and they're incredibly easy to install using the adhesive backing. If you're tired of digging through your cabinets to find the right lid, this product will save you time and stress while keeping your kitchen looking organized. Can Colander. Draining liquid from cans has never been easier thanks to this $8 can strainer. It clips onto the top of a can and provides a mess-free way to remove unwanted liquid from canned goods like tuna, beans, or fruit. This small but mighty gadget eliminates the need for large colanders, which can be cumbersome and take up precious counter or dishwasher space. Instead, it's compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick kitchen tasks. Just attach it to the can, press down, and pour out the liquid. For anyone who has struggled with spilling liquid while draining cans, this gadget is a lifesaver. It's affordable, easy to clean, and a must-have for any kitchen. Egg separator with shell catcher. If you've ever struggled with separating egg yolks from whites or fishing out bits of shell, this egg separator will make your life so much easier. This clever gadget has a serrated edge for cracking eggs and a design that efficiently separates yolks from whites. It also catches any stray pieces of shell, so you don't have to worry about ruining your dish. The separator can be clipped onto a bowl, pan, or even a mixing bowl for added convenience. Whether you're making an egg white omelet, baking a cake, or whipping up some meringue, this tool ensures the process is quick, clean, and hassle-free. Reusable food huggers. Say goodbye to food waste with these reusable silicone food huggers, priced at $12.72. This set of 5 colorful covers is designed to seal and preserve items like butter, cheese, or half-used fruits and vegetables. The huggers come in different sizes and are stackable for easy storage. They keep your food fresh by creating an airtight seal, preventing exposure to air and moisture, whether you're storing half an avocado or a stick of butter. These huggers are an eco-friendly and budget-friendly alternative to plastic wrap or bags. Stainless steel sink organizer. Keep your sink area tidy with the stainless steel sink caddy, designed to hold sponges, brushes, and other dishwashing tools. This caddy features a drip tray to collect excess water. The tray even has a small spout, so you can easily pour out the water without disrupting the items inside. Its sleek, modern design fits perfectly in any kitchen, making it both functional and stylish. Airtight glass storage jars. Upgrade your pantry with this set of airtight glass storage jars. Perfect for storing coffee, cereal, baking supplies, or snacks. These jars keep your ingredients fresh and your shelves organized. The jars come in a set of 5 and are packed securely to prevent damage during shipping. Their airtight seals and modern design make them a practical and attractive addition to any kitchen. Smart toaster. Finally, for those who love perfectly toasted bread, this high-tech smart toaster is a must-have. Although it's a splurge at $279, it offers touchscreen controls, customizable settings, and even a countdown timer. This toaster handles everything from frozen bread to bagels and waffles with precision. It's a luxury item, but for toast enthusiasts, it's worth the investment.